Hey everyone, I just wanted to give a little update on what's been going on with the channel, just for people that are interested. So I slowed down last year, about halfway through. Really that was because I bought a house and then Arizona had its hottest summer ever, which made working outside, like my phone would overheat, so it would stop recording. I wouldn't be able to record, so I'd have to stop working or like skip over something. And I kind of want to keep things inclusive. So that it tells a story and you can see what's happening. So that kind of killed things. Being that hot, there were a few times I got like overheated, dehydrated. So like I kind of just gave up on being outside. And then around the time it stopped being hot, I started doing house projects because there's a lot of work to do. This house is built in '78. And I just want to make it really nice. It is for the most part. And there's just little things that always need to be done. And I'm learning to take care of those myself. So back to cars, the Ford Edge video did like insanely well. I know I'm still very small and yeah, 1,500 views might be nothing to like a good majority of people, like even anybody that just does vlogs randomly like once a week or something can probably build better than 1,500 views over the course of a few months if they're just consistent with it. But it is still big to me. I think it's my second most viewed video. Kind of tied, I have like 3 or 4 around that range. But I think it's my most liked video. It's got like 30 likes or something right now. So that's kind of a like big deal I wasn't expecting because I kind of only put it on Instagram and like one place on Reddit, whereas I usually have like 3 or 4 places on Reddit I can post like Miatas, because I can go to like Mazda, I can go to the Miata subreddit, I can put it on project cars, whereas the Ford Edge, it's like, okay, maybe Ford, but nobody's really, like, Ford has more interesting cars, so nobody really cares about an Edge on there, and then project cars, yeah, it might show up, and so basically I think those posts did nothing, but over the course of the last 6 months since I released it, it's done really well just on its own. I guess YouTube is suggesting it to people, other people are just finding it, and it's done well, which I'm happy with. What I'm not happy with is the fact that I don't have like enough footage for a second video on that right now. I've put on the new hood, I've pulled out seat belts, I still need to get out the SRS module, still need to send those things off to be rebuilt. Then I think I have to buy a new dash. I don't think that's something I can just get repaired. So I have to get a new dash and get that swapped in. So that'll be a lot of work and it'll probably be pretty interesting. Done dash swaps on this Miata here. So taking a dash out isn't something I'm unfamiliar with, though being a 2014 versus a 1996, yeah, I'm sure it's gonna be a lot more work. So that's kind of where that stands. I put out the Ford video first because that was my plan all along, because I had done enough to put that out, and I wasn't expecting the Edge to be huge. Otherwise I might have readjusted and put off the Ford, the F-350, and done the Edge first. But yeah, that's all, really. I'll be doing the Edge next, and then I'll probably be swapping back to the truck before I finish the Edge, because it just makes more sense for me to finish the truck first. I can use it to go pick up things, like big loads of things for the house, carry bigger things in it, and then I can sell it off. Whereas the Ford Edge, I'm gonna finish and then use while I work on my girlfriend's 2011 Honda Civic Si. Anyway, thanks for watching if you watched this whole thing. I made it longer than I meant to, and I'll see you again soon with a regular real video. Thanks for watching, bye.